Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your fan supports app pairing and why that matters. Model and firmware determine protocol. Next, make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network and you're signed into My Home, otherwise pairing fails. Once done, power cycle the fan, unplug 10 seconds and plug back in to clear prior connections, then trigger pairing mode as the manual instructs. You're starting the process now, so don't skip these checks. They prevent common connection errors later. You now move into the app. Open My Home and tap Add Device. Search or scan the fan's QR so the app selects the correct driver. Grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover local devices, and allow local network access so the phone and fan can exchange credentials. When prompted, enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi password exactly. Mismatched characters stop pairing. Watch the app's progress bar and the fan's LED or beep feedback. Those cues confirm each step succeeded. Once the app shows your fan, you should rename it, assign a room and test core controls, power, speed, swing, so you verify two-way control. If the app suggests a firmware update, install it now. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. Make automations or voice links after confirming reliable control. If pairing fails, don't panic. Perform a factory reset on the fan, confirm your phone is on 4 GHz Wi-Fi, then repeat the pairing steps. That reset resolves the majority of stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.